Well, me and Mrs. Cast Iron are headed to Cornbread Alley here at the National Cornbread Festival in South Pittsburg, Tennessee. So you guys hang on. We're going to head down that way as we run through the fairways. Some of this is going to be a little bit noisy, but y'all hang on. Here we are out here on the main strip. They got the Ferris wheel here, and there all these different places to eat at, man. It's just amazing. Got the fair going on all week long. I mean, just people galore everywhere. Got a tractor display, old farm equipment, stuff going on here. So much out here to see. Got a grist mill down here where they're making cornmeal and grits and everything. But just look at all these old pieces of equipment. Farmall, McCormick. You know, at one time somebody was proud to have that little old tractor right there. Here's a grist mill, and this is how they used to take and ground up corn to make cornmeal, and have cornmeal and grits, and different things. We'll kind of look at the different phases of it. Of course, there's your kernels of corn, and it goes down to a little bit more like what we call chicken chops, where you feed chicken feed. And then, of course, you're into your cornmeal there. So there's the fellas putting that on. Here's some more farm equipment over here. There's an old John Deere, Massey Harris, full Farmall Cub there. Got a one-row planter on it. Man, oh man, how far have we come from today? Here's an old Ford tractor that my dad actually had one similar to that. This is the second day of the Cornbread Festival here in South Pittsburg, Tennessee. Lodge puts on this every year, or the whole community does. The whole community comes together and puts this together. A lot of volunteers. I don't know how many hundreds of people volunteer to do this. Got a live band going on over here. I'm not going to do that very long because I don't have their permission to record them. But I just want you to see they got a lot of live music around here for the everybody at the festival. My goodness, they're cooking away over here. I mean, they're grilling chicken and hamburgers and all kinds of stuff here. Got corn on the cob, roasted corn on the cob. Here we got big bags of popcorn, kettle corn. Down here we got more things to choose from. Bourbon chicken sandwich, got gator on a stick, Philly cheesesteak, turkey leg, blooming onion, crawfish bowl. Here we have Bad Boys Barbecue over here. Many of y'all seen Bad Boys Barbecue out of McMinnville, Tennessee. Try to get a picture of that. Oh yeah, that's cool. Man, just look at all the people here. We got here a little later than we wanted to. It's about 11 o'clock. People are starting to pile in here on Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon. Now here's the Cornbread Alley that we're going to go through here in a little while. Martha White Cornbread Alley. And what they basically have is a display or vendor set up, people set up down here where you can test and try all kinds of cornbread. We're going to do that here in just a little while. These nice little young ladies here taking our money to Cornbread Alley. All right, so here we go. Man, look at this pavilion set up here. Got people with stoves in the backdrop back here. Different ones cooking. And got some nice ladies here at the table with the plates. Do you mind if I record you?
No.
Okay, I got a question now. All of these are volunteers cooking, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Everybody from the community, around surrounding community here in this area? So they're cooking all different kinds of cornbread, right? Okay. All right, thank you. Y'all have a good day.
Oh, we're getting recipes. Nice, thank you.
Thank you.
Is your recipe in here? You got your recipe in here? No?
You got your own personal recipe though, right? Yeah, that's right. I have mine. I don't share with anybody hardly either.
They did. Just a few minutes ago.
Let me move this.
You don't-
Here's yours. This is yours. Can you hold it? There's, okay.
All right, there we go.
you.
Awesome.
Oh, this
Thank
is
you for your service too,
Thank
sir.
you very much.
bet. Thank you.
black-eyed pea fritter.
Black-eyed pea
20 years.
fritter. How many?
Very fast, 20 years.
20 years. Yes, sir. Got a little cast
The
iron
sheets have the
skillet.
recipe for everything on this line.
Okay. Who does? She does in that paper
Yeah,
there.
in that paper.
Okay. Thank you.
Chicken and dressing. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Chicken and dressing here.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate you. Yeah, you're on video.
Put me on the news, okay?
You're gonna be on YouTube. Is what you're gonna
Oh
be.
my! Oh, are you gonna publish that?
Oh yeah, I have a YouTube channel that I post.
Dressed up for you.
No, you look fine. You look absolutely gorgeous.
Which one is this?
Just old-fashioned cornbread.
Oh, just old-fashioned cornbread.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
I love that first. That
Wow.
pie.
Clean enough this
You want
way.
to know?
That plate back here.
We're gonna get so full of cornbread we won't be able to walk. All these ladies back here cooking cornbread. How are you? Doing good.
Hot chicken. Hot chicken.
Hot
cornbread.
chicken cornbread. I gotta
You
try
can do
that.
anything with cornbread and chicken once.
Absolutely. Thank you. All right. How are you doing?
Sweet as a Georgia peach.
Sweet as a Georgia peach. We're doing good. You're gonna be on YouTube now.
I've never been YouTube famous, so I'm good.
Oh,
You ain't never have. Well, you're gonna be on Mr. Cast Iron's YouTube channel.
Thank you.
All right. Y'all have a great day. You bet.
Look at this so far. My
know.
goodness. I had that first one.
Man, I can't get over all of them cooking and baking. All right, how are you folks? Doing all right today?
Enjoy that.
Good deal. We appreciate y'all. Let me get her pan in here. Oh man, look at that. Tennessee mud cornbread, folks. All right, thank you, ma'am.
No way I'm gonna remember all these. Beans and greens.
Kimball Tabernacle of Praise got their cornbread going
Beans and
on.
greens. Beans and greens.
Beans and greens. Thank you very much, ma'am. Have a great day. All right, new South Mexican cornbread.
This one's right out of the oven.
Awesome.
Spicy.
All right, a little bit of spicy here.
Okay.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank y'all very much. There's their pan there of fresh Mexican hot cornbread. Wow. And they got them all back in the back there cooking cornbread, making corn fritters. Our Lady of Lords Roman Catholic Church making some Southern Hush Puppies back here. So there's one of their Southern Hush Puppies right there. And there's one right there she's got on display. So we appreciate you folks.
Thank y'all.
Y'all have a great day.
Make sure you vote for us over there.
We'll do it.
That's the
All
vote.
right.
You gotta go vote for
All right. I think that pretty much concludes. They got a tent over here where they're mixing up batter and eggs and milk and grease, and I mean they're getting after it over here to make cornbread, folks. This has been the Cornbread Alley that they call it here at South Pittsburg, Tennessee at the Cornbread Festival, and we're going to try all these out.
Here's
They've
where you
got
vote.
donation jars here where you can leave a donation for each one of the
That's a vote. Donation is a vote.
each vote or each dollar or each donation given is a vote for that particular group that has made cornbread here. So we're going to put a little bit in for the favorite one that we like. But anyway, I just wanted to show you Cornbread Alley here. It's pretty awesome here at the Cornbread Festival, 25th anniversary Lodge Cornbread Festival in South Pittsburg, Tennessee. Appreciate you guys. Hey, for Mr. and Mrs. Cast Iron, y'all have a great day, and we'll be talking to y'all soon. Take care. Bye-bye.